Hi guys, it's Joey from RecipesforRuntz, and it's been a while since I have done a recipe, so I'm going to be making very easy 4-ingredient shortbread cookies for you. So we're just waiting now for the butter. You need 2 cups of butter, 4 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And you'll also need a cookie press if you have one. So, like I said, you put the butter in the microwave for at least 30 seconds because you want it to be softened. You don't want it to be completely melted. So today, when we're making shortbread cookies, I'm going to show you a little alternative to what you do can decorate them. I have candy melts, and I also have chocolate chips. So we have the 2 cups of softened butter in there. And after that, you're going to add in 1 cup of sugar. And then you're going to beat it until it's light and fluffy, about 3 minutes. Alright, we've arrived. Check this out. Not only has it blended up and got all light and fluffy, it has also changed color. It used to be yellow and now it is white. So now you're just going to take it and you're going to scrape down the sides one more time. And get the excess beaters off, and then get the excess mixture off of the beaters. And now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add in the vanilla extract. And then we're going to beat it again until it is well combined. Okay, so the vanilla extract is in there, and I have a fellow assistant here, my mom, who is going to put in the flour gradually while I am mixing it. So your mixer is on low, and you're going to gradually add in 4 cups of flour. Put it in a little at a time, because if you put it in all together, then otherwise all the flour is going to fly up and it's going to make a cloud in your house. Or should I say your kitchen. So just keep adding in the flour. Your beater will go a little slow because it's getting a lot more thicker. And it's starting to become a biscuit dough. Alright guys, so we have our finished cookie dough, which is basically just flour, sugar, vanilla extract, and butter. So the best thing about this is that it's egg free, so you don't have to worry about getting sick
if you sample it.
Raw eggs. So if you sample it, it's not going to taste bad. It's not going to taste like it has eggs in it. So here's my cookie press, and into this little hole right here, I'm going to place the press in it, which is basically just like a sideways X shape. I'm going to put it in here. After you fill up your cookie press with the dough, and then you're going to place on your lid, and then on an ungreased cookie sheet, you're going to press the cookie dough on the cookie sheet, and later on I'll show you what I have did on the ungreased cookie sheet. Got my cookie press all filled up with that little sideways X on it, and I'm just going to demonstrate to you a way of doing it. So what you do with this cookie press is you place it down on the ungreased cookie sheet, and then you press down this thing, and then you pick it back up, and then you get that little cookie right there. So I'll show you one more time. So you do that, and then up, and then you get these little cookies. They're like that. Yep, you know. Now, I'm going to show you 3 different kinds of methods of decorating these. the first one I'm going to do is I'm just going to sprinkle one of mine with rainbow jimmies. Super easy. And just put it all around the cookie. So you have your little cookie jam sliders. Another method of doing it is you can take one of these chocolate candy melts that you could buy at any decorating store or Michael's craft store. I'm just going to take one and then push it on. And if you feel free to be fancy, you can put some more jimmies on top of the one that has the chocolate melt on it. And the last method I'm going to show you is with some miniature chocolate chips. I'm just going to put them on here. Kind of looks like a Candy Crush color bomb. So those are 3 different kind of methods that you can use to make these cake, but you don't have to make them exactly like mine. You can do whatever kind of method you want. Just feel free to do whatever you want in these kind of cookies because they're yours. So, bake these shortbread cookies in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. Now, those are the method ones that I showed you. The ones on the top and the ones on the bottom. I don't know if you can see them on the camera, but I made some waffle round cookies, which is you use a fork to make the waffle imprint into the round shortbread cookies. Now, if you are doing one on the top and one on the bottom, every 6 minutes you want to rotate them. So if that one's on the top, then it will go on to the bottom after 6 minutes. If you don't have a cookie press, which most people don't, you can just roll a ball, put it on an ungreased cookie sheet, and then just put it in the oven and do the same exact method. Now I'm going to do half round and half waffle. So to make the waffle, you just take a fork, you press it down, and then you press it the other way in order to make it look like a waffle pattern around the cookie. Okay, if some of them stick to your fork, you can either put the fork into a bowl of flour and then let it sit there in order for it not to stick to the cookies, or you can spray it with a little bit of hand cooking spray. So these are the cookies that have just been taken out of the oven. After you've let them cool on the ungreased cookie sheet for 2 minutes, take them off with a metal spatula and then put them on a cooling rack to cool completely. And there are your completed shortbread cookies. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm sorry about the lack of the videos that we had in a lot of days. So I'm going to try to upload as many videos as I can. I mean, like, I'm in 5th grade and I have a lot of homework to do. So that's why I don't really upload videos that often anymore every week. So I'm just gonna try my best to remember and to upload videos. So I'll see you all for Domino Rally 22. Bye.